There's a lot of bad Whatnot guys out there that kind of just, try to take your money. And
hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be buying stuff on Whatnot for the first time. Not for the first time, but we're going to show you guys for the first time and see what you guys think. Let's get a real full-length, in-depth review of how it happens, how we purchase it, how it gets shipped, and then opening the coins and seeing what they look like in person. So, we have some clips right here, and we're going to put them up on the screen. So let me scooch on over here for you guys. So this is right here, right now. This is basically what I see after the fact. This is basically what the coin looked like when we were bidding. And I want to show you guys like what we saw, so this is the coin that we're bidding on right now, a BU Walker, basically. And basically, I kind of know like, okay, BUs are probably worth like, minimum 20 bucks, but it could be cleaned, it could be AU, whatever. So we're going to try and get it kind of cheap. So we ended up trying to get it cheap, right? And it ended up working. So, there we did that. And then here's another video actually in an auction. So this is a dealer. It was a he. They're holding up the coin, and basically they're just holding up price guide. It's not relevant to me. And like, oh, price guides, whatever, 115 bucks for this coin. And basically, we look at the coin and we know that it's not worth that much. It's not worth 115 bucks. We don't really have a bid for it. We don't really have a place to sell it. So we kind of just ended up skipping over this coin. And then we went back to going with the other dealer, but just wanted to include this just in case, a little bit more, a little bit more for you guys. So yeah, I thought it was kind of cool. Hey, if you guys like this video, make sure and subscribe down below. Only about 4% of you guys are actually subscribed. So it doesn't hurt to subscribe. If you're going to come back and watch the good videos anyway, drop a subscribe.
Okay guys, so here is the Whatnot package. We're going to be basically giving them a grade on everything. So, they taped the edges up, that's good. The front is pretty good. I'm not going to show the label, but they taped up, the edges. Shakes a little bit, but there is a GSA dollar in here, so I'm giving them a little bit of a benefit of the doubt because those things do tend to shake a little bit more. So wow. Okay, I did cut it. I was like, that's terrible. Okay, so they did put tape on these edges too. So this is very good so far. Okay, we're gonna try and open it now. Okay, see this, guys? This is how professional coin shop does packages. See this? Look at this, guys. It's stuck in here. Somebody who's trying to steal it from me is gonna have a little bit of a hassle. So basically, we're just gonna see this, guys. This right here is a very professional coin shop shipment. Now, however, this package is worth about $1,000 so they definitely, I don't know if they'll take this kind of care with a $3 package, which I mean most people don't. So, but so far I'm gonna give this a pretty solid score. Let's see how the coins look. Boom, look at that. See that? Everything else is out of here. They're all pretty tight. We got the receipt. They even included a little sticker. I'm going to give them a shout out. Shout out Rinker Coins. Alright, we got a nice little GSA. I bought it without the box. So, okay, the labels, I'm going to give them like a C+ on the labels just because, I mean, that's on a sticker. That's not too great. But let's check out these other coins. I think they're all $half. Oh, there's a dime. So we bought like a bunch of BU $half. And yeah, they're pretty solid. I don't see any. They might be grading rejects. Let me look at them really quick. Honestly, they don't look too bad. Like this one might be a grading reject, just because it has like, just so you guys can see, just because it has like this little mark right here, right there. You can kind of see right there. But it's still, a very, very nice BU. Still passes as a BU, obviously. The 39 is a little bit of a better date. This is actually a really nice coin. No problems. Okay, the reverse has a slight problem. Let me check this one out. This coin actually is worth a couple bucks. It just kind of looks like toning. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything. Yeah, it just looks like toning. Yeah, there's no problems going on. No details or problems there. It's just kind of like some toning. So it probably didn't fit into their white grading submission, but it'll work for me. It's pretty good. Pretty solid. You know, we got it for a pretty good deal. This other 39, it has that slight cut right there. Probably like a light staple scratch. So it's not great. But we did get it for pretty cheap as well. So yeah, it's definitely BU. So that should be pretty fine. This 42, this one's fine. Yeah, this one's fine. Has that light toning on the back. Kind of ugly, but it's not a big deal. This 41, I think this is a 41S. 41D. This one's really good. Kind of more like a slider, which I think he said in the video. Mike said it. Yeah, pretty solid. Definitely this dime's very nice for sure. I think I paid basically what it's going to sell for too. So yeah, got a pretty nice little haul from Whatnot. You know, there's a lot of bad Whatnot guys out there that kind of just, you know, try to take your money, and they do a pretty good job. You know, a lot of their stuff ends up looking just like this coin right here. And, you know, not going to name any names, but there are definitely people out there like this. So if you guys want to check out a really solid store, other than Merrill Coins, obviously, then, you know, check out Rinker Coins. They did a pretty good job with this package, and I would give them, other than the receipt, which I understand, you know, I understand the receipts, because, you know, I understand these receipts. They take forever to print out separately, so printing them all out at once is easier. But, you know, for a collector, doing this is a big pain. But other than this, I mean, it was a 10 out of 10 experience. So I'm going to give them a solid 9.7. That's the highest rating we have so far. So, yeah, let me know if you guys like any of these coins. Let me know if you don't like any of these coins. This GSA is pretty nice. I guess I didn't show it off too crazy. It's an 1883, and it came with no box, no papers, but we got it for really cheap, so it's not a big deal at all. You know, we're kind of just trying to help out. It was like their first or second show on Whatnot, so we were just trying to help them out. Let's switch over to the face cam. Here we go.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We are going to be back every single week on Friday, and then coming soon, we're going to be starting to upload much more frequently. I'm trying to do shorts every single day, but long form videos are coming more than one time every single week very, very soon, everybody. So get ready, have an amazing day, and please make sure to subscribe. If you like the videos, guys, it helps me out. So looking forward to seeing you guys again. Have an amazing day, and goodbye, everybody.